Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're adding this hero slider section to your store. And honestly, out of every hero section we've covered so far in Section Kit, this one is by far the most premium and the smoothest. It's got that clean numbered navigation, a bold heading, a tag label above it, and a rounded call to action button. Everything designed to make your homepage feel like a high-end, professional brand right from the very first look. If you want your store's first impression to feel truly premium, this is the section for it. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into how to add it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This will take you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we need to search for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that's going to make building your store so much easier. Open it and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like any other Shopify app. After the installation, go to the Explore Sections tab of this app and search for Impact Hero Slider. You'll only find one section with this name here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details about this section are listed right below. Feel free to read through them if you'd like. I've already purchased this section, so I'll close this and click on My Sections on the left side. This is where you'll only see the sections you've already purchased. Let me scroll down here, and here's the section. Now click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. After a second, the section has been installed successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer. And once it loads, simply click on Add Section, just like we would for any other section, and search for Slider, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Customizing this is incredibly simple and easy, but the impact it makes is just as big. First, let's scroll through and see what all we can customize here. This is amazing. Literally everything here is customizable. Let's start by changing the color of these numbers to black. And now let's scroll up and change the cursor's background color to black as well. Trust me guys, this is genuinely one of the best sections in this app for building your store. Now it's time to add images. Click on it and add a background image one by one, like this. I already have a few images ready, so I'm just adding them here. But you can add horizontal pictures of your own products. After adding all the images, hit save, and now let's take a look at the actual view. This is exactly how the section will look on your store once it's added. And that's it, a genuinely premium hero section made this simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.